So now friends, we have opened up our Power BI desktop screen. So in this screen we will create different charts. So for creating a charts we have to get the data, and to get the data, like here in the home tab, like if you will go to the home tab and in the get data, you can get data from multiple sources like Excel worksheets, Power BI data set, SQL data flow. Like these are different text data, series V, blank queries. So these are many data source from where you can get the data. So like I will show you the file where we have a data. So I just go here, and this is our data, like in April file. If I will go to April file and if I will open it, so this is our data. Like we have salesmen and their products, region, prices and sales, and from this data we have to create a chart. First of all we will create a bar chart. So creating a bar chart, so according to our region we can create a bar chart, according to salesman we can create a bar chart. So let's see how we will do that. So now I just close this Excel file. Don't save, there are many Excel files opened. So I just close this and we come to our Power BI. Now to get that, I go to get data, Excel workbook, and from here I will take this April file. Now it's creating a connecting to our data source. So now like this file only have one sheet, so I click on this sheet and I will just transform data. Either you can transform data or load data. So what is the difference? Like it will open up your Power Query, but if you directly load it, it will directly load it. But if we have to do some editing and if you want to make some changes to our data, then we can transform that data. That we will see in earlier next parts. So now our sheet is loading, and our sheet is here now, like in the field setting. Like so we have a different pane here. We will call them filter pane, visualization pane, field pane, and from these panes we can create our chart. So this is a filter pane. So what add field here, so we can add field from here, and beside that we have fields like sheet. Here whatever sheet we imported, that will be shown here. So if I will click on this sheet and double click here, so it will show us the values, what are their categories in the field. Like we have price, product, so it show like it have values, and these show have alphabetical values. Like it shows wherever there is this type of icon, it's mean it have some amount here there. So now if you want to make a chart from that, then I have to double click here, and after creating a double click, and then I will click on this stack column chart. Now after creating this, a format of our chart is there, and this is our stack column chart. Now field, we have y-axis, and like if you will go there, we have x-axis and y-axis. So if you want to put some values in x-axis and y-axis, we can do that. Suppose like if I will put product, and that will be in our x-axis, and then I will go to our sales, that will be in our y-axis. So now this is our sales according to our product. So whichever product we sell, according to that we have our sales. Now if you want to make some changes to our like titles and these titles, and want to show the data table data inside this, how we can do that? For that we have a button here. Like if you will go to visualization, there is a button, format your visuals. So we can format our visual from here. So I will click over this, and now if I will ask about x-axis, and just say bold, and just increase its size. and say bold. So now our x-axis will increase. Then I will go to title and just increase the title size also, bold. So this is our title. If you want to give it some color, you can also do that. So you can play with that whatever way you like. Suppose our sales of salesman by product, we want to change that. We go to journal, titles, and just make it bold, and just make it color is okay, but I want to give the background color here. I give the background color as blue, and our just remove this. Okay, background color is now text color. We can change our text color also. I will give my text color as white, or either okay. This is our this is our sum of sales. This is our text color, and I will give the background color also. I will give background color as I will give it blue. Now we have background color. I will change my text color to white and just make it bold, and just increase its size and keep it in the center. So now our report look more better. And now